Good afternoon, students. Welcome to banking classes. Now, students, under Unit 2, we have to discuss special type of customers. ये बेटा थोड़ा मैंने पीछे डिस्कस भी किया हुआ है, लेकिन मैं एक बार फिर से बता रहा हूँ. By opening an account, the banker enters into a contractual relationship with the customer. Every person who is competent to contract can open an account with the bank. A special type of customers for a bank are minor. अब बेटा minor क्या है? A person under the age of 18 years is a minor. If a court appoints a guardian and the minor is below 18 years, the minority is extended up to 21 years. Now, students, as per section 11 of the Contract Act, a minor is not competent to contract, but section 26 of the Negotiable Instrument Act allows a minor to draw, endorse, deliver and negotiate a negotiable instrument. बेटा इसका मतलब ये हो गया, कोई भी माइनर जो 18 years से कम है, with the help of legal guardian, he can enter into a contract. So, a banker can open an account in the minor's name. The banker will be safe if the so students, the banker will be safe if the account runs with the credit balance. The minor can be a partner, but he cannot be held liable for the liabilities of the partnership firm. Now, students, a minor's saving bank account may be opened in any of the following ways. पहला बेटा, in the name of minor itself. That is, this account will be operated by the minor alone. In his personal presence, he can withdraw the money from his account. अब बेटा second, in the joint names of the minor and guardian. The account will be operated jointly by minor and his guardian. And third case, in the name of guardian. This account will be operated by the guardian on behalf of the minor. Now, dear students, in case of 1 and 2 stated above, the minor must have obtained the age of 10 years and be liable to sign his name uniformly. So beta, this was all related with the how a minor can enter into a contract, how a bank will deal with the minor. And in the next class, we will discuss the lunatic. Thank you, class.